that. No, good job. There they go. Boop boop. Toot toot.
Go.
Really? Yeah? What color is it? What color is it? Blue?
Caitlyn, what color is it?
Is it blue?
Oh, can you say hi? Can you say hi to him?
Wave.
Say hi. Hi you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my first voiceover. Hopefully it goes well. So on Facebook I asked to choose 4 eyeshadows, 2 lip and cheeks, and 1 illuminator. I used a randomizer to choose everything, and this is what we got. So I'm putting for my all over of Bubba, one of our eyeshadows from Mascara Beauty. On the outside I'll be putting Ivy League, which is our really nice green. On the very top, I kind of messed up and I put a darker color all over instead of using Mama, which is more of a pinky, which I should have done first, but you know, I didn't. There I am eating a chip that my son gave me because I was trying to keep him occupied while Nate was painting his room. So here I'm using Salem for my liner, which I also end up putting underneath my eyes just to kind of give it like more of like a smokiness look. You know, just gotta really blend. Blend, blend, blend. And then on the lower lash, on like the inner corner right there, I used Mama again, just to like try and incorporate it just a little bit more. You know, just gotta check myself out. So here I'm using my contour. I'm going to be using henna just for there. On my nose and on my forehead, I did end up switching my contour shade to Stone. I really like Stone. I usually use Olive, but for this look, I thought I'd switch it up just a little bit. Especially since I still have a little bit of a burn on my chest. Gotta darken it up a bit. So here I am with my brightener shade. I believe I was using Moonlit, which is our lightest shade. And then for my all over, I use Linen. I'm very fair, so these are the only colors that I can really use as of right now until I, you know, tan a bit. But when this quarantine is over, you better believe I'll be on that beach tanning away. So here I am just using the detail hack to blend everything out. Oh, my previous brushes that I used were the Eyeshadow Everything, the Hotline brush, and the Blend and Tap. Now if you just heard that noise, that is my other son, Colin. I'm currently feeding him while I'm doing this. So here I'm just taking the rest of the contour that I had on my Eyeshadow Everything brush and just putting it around my outer lips to just help my line. And then here I'm putting our Cayman bronzer on just to help brighten me up. Sorry, not brighten, darken me up a bit, because, you know, it doesn't really match my burnt chest. And here I went in with Nude, which was one of the two lip and cheeks. And then I also lined it with Nude, but I forgot that there was still some of the Salem left over because I forgot to take it off, so that's a look. So just blend it into the rest, kind of do like an ombre effect with my fingers. Blend out everything. I'm going way too fast for me to do a voiceover. No. And then for my lips, I went in with Ballerina. Ballerina is one of my favorite shades that we have. I use it all the time, just like Love Spell. And then here, my son ended up taking my brush that I really like to do my highlight with, which is the BBF. So I went in with our Powder Illuminator Scarlet, and just on my top of my cheekbones, over top of my Cupid's bow, my bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. And then I also ended up putting it on the inner corners, which I don't think I taped. And here I am just blending everything a little bit more, because to me it just seemed like a little too dark and too messy. And here I am just taking the rest of the Ballerina that was on my Eyeshadow Everything brush and kind of just like putting it in the upper corners to help with the mama. You know, here I am scrambling to try and find my Moonlit. So here I am just fixing up the corners and cleaning it up a little bit. And again, you know, just gotta check yourself out. So this is what it looked like without my mascara on, because I totally forgot to use it. But hopefully you like it. This is how it turned out. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.